Algorand value equivalent to 3.9820 rands a coin. The present cost range, 3.84654.0638. The earlier day close, 3.9593. The change was plus 0.0227, plus 0.57%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost 3.88 rands, high 4.15, low 3.61. Algorand estimate on Monday, April 17, cost 3.84 rands, high 4.11, low 3.57. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost 3.98 rands, high 4.26, low 3.70. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost 3.98 rands, high 4.26, low 3.70. And multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost 3.98 rands, high 4.26, low 3.70. Algorand gauge on Friday, April 21, cost 4.02 rands, high 4.30, low 3.74. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 3.95 rands, high 4.23, low 3.67. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost 4.05 rands, high 4.33, low 3.77. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 4.12 rands, high 4.41, low 3.83. In about 14 days Algorand gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 4.06 rands, high 4.34, low 3.78. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 3.88 rands, high 4.15, low 3.61. Algorand gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 3.80 rands, high 4.07, low 3.53. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 3.86 rands, high 4.13, low 3.59. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost 3.70 rands, high 3.96, low 3.44. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 4.28 rands, high 4.58, low 3.98. Algorand conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 4.24 rands, high 4.54, low 3.94. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 4.04 rands, high 4.32, low 3.76. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 4.13 rands, high 4.42, low 3.84. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 4.09 rands, high 4.38, low 3.80. In about a month Algorand conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost 3.89 rands, high 4.16, low 3.62. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 4.06 rands, high 4.34, low 3.78. Algorand conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost 3.87 rands, high 4.14, low 3.60. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 4.02 rands, excessive cost 4.41, while low cost 3.57. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.97. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.88, change for April 3.5%. Algorand figure for May 2023. Before all else cost at 3.88 rands, excessive cost 4.58, while low cost 3.44. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.93. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.80, change for May 2.1%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 3.80 rands, excessive cost 3.80, while low cost 3.18. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.55. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.42, change for June 10.0%. Algorand figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 3.42 rands, exorbitant cost 3.89, while low cost 3.39. They found the middle value of cost 3.59. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 3.64, change for July 6.4%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 3.64 rands, exorbitant cost 4.52, while low cost 3.64. They found the middle value of cost 4.01. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 4.22, change for August 15.9%. Algorand gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 4.22 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.22, while low cost 3.29. The found the middle value of cost 3.82. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 3.54. Change for September 16.1%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 3.54 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.54, while low cost 2.76. The found the middle value of cost 3.20. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.97. Change for October 16.1%. Algorand estimate for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at 2.97 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.26, while low cost 2.84. The found the middle value of cost 3.03. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.05. Change for November 2.7%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at 3.05 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.79, while low cost 3.05. The found the middle value of cost 3.36. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.54. Change for December 16.1%. Algorand estimate for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at 3.54 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.54, while low cost 2.91. The found the middle value of cost 3.28. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.13. Change for January 11.6%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. To start with, cost at 3.13 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.65, while low cost 3.13. The found the middle value of cost 3.33. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.41. Change for February 8.9%. Algorand estimate for WAC 2024. To start with, cost at 3.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.41, while low cost 2.66. The found the middle value of cost 3.09. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.86. Change for spring 16.1%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at 2.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.86, while low cost 2.23. The found the middle value of cost 2.59. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.40. Change for April 16.1%. ZAR to ALGO conversion scale equivalent to 0.2511 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.2461-0.2600. The earlier days nearby 0.2526. Change for now 0.0015, 0.59%. Rand to Algorand conjecture on Friday, April 14, cost 0.258 coins, high 0.277, low 0.241. ZAR to ALGO expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 0.2